As you know that replying to every new customer review takes time, but ignoring them costs trust. Most brands either copy paste the replies or miss the reviews completely. But you know what we do? We use this simple automation to reply to every review personally and professionally. Not only this, we also collect the reviews in our Google Sheets like the name, ratings and the text. And after this, we use Gemini to generate the reply for these reviews based on the ratings and the comment. Positive reviews get appreciation, neutral reviews get reassurance, and the negative reviews get calm, solution focused responses. So no more generic replies, no more missed reviews, just consistent brand trust at scale. So if you also want to create this amazing reply system, then watch this video till the end. And before we move on further and see how this system can be created, I'm just going to show you how this system is going to work. So let's say I'm just going to write a review for this brand. So I'm just going to paste my review. I'm just going to give the rating and click on this post, and as you can see, we have successfully posted this review. Now what is going to happen is the details for the same will be added in my Google Sheets, and not only this, within few minutes I'm just going to get the reply for the same. So let's wait for few minutes, and after waiting for few minutes, I'm just going to open my Google Sheets and you're going to see the details are added right over here. The reviewer name, the rating and the review text is exactly the same which we entered. Not only this, I'm just going to refresh it right over here to check for the reply, and you're going to see the reply is also over here. Ritika, thank you so much for truly outstanding review of Fusion Nexus. We are thrilled to know our thoughtful design, seamless usability and powerful performance are making complex tasks effortless for you. So as you can see, the reply is really personal and professional. And yes, in this video I'll show you how you can also build this system for your own business. So to build this system, you have to open the blank workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect, and you can build this system today for free. So please watch this video till the end. Alright, so you have to open your blank workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month. 100 of tasks free every month means that you can reply to 100 of reviews for free, and yes, this is true. And once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, then you can use this discount coupon code to purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Using this discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount, and yes, this is true. So I'll suggest you once again that try Pabbly Connect, because right now we're offering a free trial, and once you find it useful, you can use this discount coupon code. No need to worry, it is also attached in the description box below. So now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Google Business Profile, and now for the event you have to select it as new review and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google Business Profile and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now you have to select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to create this connection, and after selecting the Gmail account, Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions, and your Google Business Profile will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Select the account, select the location and click on this save and send test request. Once you're going to click on this save and send test request, the last review which you received on your Google Business Profile will be captured right over here. Until now, if you don't have any reviews, you can just open your Google Business Profile and write a review yourself and capture the response for the same. No need to worry, it is going to run perfectly fine for your new reviews too. Okay, so as you're going to see that this was the last review, so I've captured the response for the same only. So why does this happen? Because Google Business Profile is a polling based application. So polling based application means that this application will not check for new data instantly. It is going to take some amount of time to check for the new data, and over here in the case of Google Business Profile, it says the trigger will check for new data in 60 minutes. So if you wish to reduce or increase this time, time, just left click on this and go towards this set trigger time. You can keep the trigger time minimum as 10 minutes and maximum as 24 hours. I'm just going to keep it as 60 minutes and move on further. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to first add the details in my Google Sheets, and then we're just going to get the reply. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm going to click on this add new action step. For the action application, let's search for Google Sheets and select Google Sheets right over here. For the event, I'm going to select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now once again it is going to ask me for the same. So I have not connected, so I'm going to go towards this add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Once again select the Gmail account. With the help of what you want to build this connection, give Pabbly all the permissions and your Google Sheets will be connected with Pabbly Connect. It is very easy, right? Now you have to select the spreadsheet. So select the spreadsheet and the sheet in which you want to add the details. So this is my spreadsheet and this is my sheet, so I have selected the same. Now one by one enter the details, but you don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. And in order to map these details, you just have to put a slash and then search for the detail which you wish to map. So one by one I'm going to map all the details right over here, and after mapping this I'm going to click on this save and send test request. We have received a positive response that we have added these details in our Google Sheets. So when you're going to open your Google Sheets, you're going to see the details are added. Not only for this, now whenever I'm just going to receive a new review, the details will be added in my Google Sheets. Alright, so now we have to generate the reply. For that we're going to use Google Gemini. So click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm just going to search for Google Gemini. You can use any another AI tool too. I'm going to use Google Gemini. So let's select Google AI Studio. For the event, I'm going to select it as generate content over here and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for this API key. So to get this API key, open your Google AI Studio. After you open your Google AI Studio, from the left hand of the side you have to go towards this get API key section. Then click on this create API key, name your key, select the project and click on this create key button. Your key will be created, so you just have to copy your key right from here and paste it in your workflow. After pasting this key, click on this save and your Gemini will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking for the text, so enter the prompt using which you are going to generate the reply. And in this prompt I've kept some fields as dynamic because I'm just going to map it so that we can generate a personalized reply for everyone. First of all, I'm just going to map the name because I want that the reply should contain the name. Then I'm just going to map the rating, and then I'm just going to map the comment so that we can generate a personalized reply. And now I'm going to select the model and then the method as generate content and click on this save and send test request. You can select model of your choice, and also for the prompt you have to enter the details of your business so that it can generate an accurate reply. So now you can see we have received this response, and over here we have received this reply. So let's post it. For that, just close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, once again you have to search for Google Business Profile. So let's search for Google Business Profile. Once again select it. This time for the event, select it as create reply and click on this connect. We have recently connected our Google Business Profile, so click on this select existing connection and then save. And once you click on this save, it is saying account ID, so select it, select the location ID. But now it is asking me for the review name. So instead of selecting this as manually over here, we have to map it. This is very important. So switch on this mapping button and map this review name. Put a slash, search for the review name and map this review name right over here. Make sure to map this name over here. Now for the reply, just map the reply with Gemini, generate it, and then you are ready to go. You have to click on this save and send test request, and it is saying that it has successfully posted this reply. So let's open our account and check for the reply posted. So I'm just going to open my account and I'm going to refresh it right from here to check for the reply posted. I'm going to go towards this view all Google reviews, and you're going to see that this is the same review which we generated right now and the same reply. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow, and now whenever I'm going to receive a new review from this Google Business Profile, first of all the details will be added in my Google Sheets. After the details are added in my Google Sheets, Gemini is going to generate the reply for this review, and then the reply will be posted. And yes, all of this is going to happen in backend. Like I showed in the starting of this video, we don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. Go and try this amazing automation for your own business too. too, because this can be a game changer for you. This can help you build a lot of trust in your customer's heart. And yes, if you have any doubts while trying, you can drop them in the comment section below. Don't forget that right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and further the discount coupon code is attached right over here and also in the description box below. You can try this automation if you find this helpful. On our YouTube channel, you can check many more automations which we have already created, and I bet that can be also helpful for your business. So try Pabbly Connect first, then don't forget that the discount coupon code is over here. Alright, further if you want, the workflow URL is also attached in the description box below. You can check out my prompt from there. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.